Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cooking experience much easier and more efficient, the Danby DBMW0721BBS Countertop Microwave in a sleek stainless steel finish. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Danby DBMW0721BBS? This countertop microwave offers a compact yet spacious 0.7 cubic feet capacity, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even office break rooms. With a power output of 700 watts and 10 different power levels, this microwave provides flexibility to cook or heat a variety of foods efficiently. One of the standout features of this microwave is its 6 convenient auto-cook options. Whether you're in the mood for popcorn, a baked potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, a hot beverage, or even a dinner plate, this microwave has you covered. These preset functions make it straightforward to prepare your favorite snacks or meals without needing to guess cooking times or power settings. Additionally, the Danby DBMW0721BBS comes with express cook buttons that allow you to quickly set cooking times from 1 to 6 minutes. Need an extra 30 seconds to heat something up? No problem. With the Add 30 Seconds feature, you can easily extend your cooking time with just the push of a button. For those who regularly deal with frozen foods, the auto defrost options are a game changer. You can choose to defrost by either time or weight, ensuring your ingredients are thawed perfectly without cooking them in the process. This is particularly useful for busy individuals or families who need to prepare meals efficiently. Another practical feature is the Time Cook function, allowing users to set a desired cooking time manually. This gives you total control over how you want to prepare your dishes. Plus, if you have little ones around, you'll appreciate the child control lockout option, which lets you lock the control panel by simply pressing the stop button for 3 seconds. This added safety measure ensures that curious hands won't accidentally start the microwave. So, who is this microwave suitable for? The Danby DBMW0721BBS is an excellent choice for college students living in dorms, small apartment dwellers, or anyone looking to save space without sacrificing functionality. Its compact design makes it easy to fit on any countertop, while the stainless steel finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. This microwave is also ideal for busy professionals who need to heat up meals quickly or for families wanting to prepare simple dishes without the fuss. In terms of practical use cases, this microwave shines in various scenarios. You can effortlessly pop a bag of popcorn for your movie night, heat up leftovers from last night's dinner in no time, or defrost the chicken you forgot to take out of the freezer for dinner. The auto-cook options simplify everyday tasks, making it easier for anyone to whip up a quick meal or snack. In conclusion, the Danby DBMW0721BBS Countertop Microwave combines functionality, convenience, and style. With its range of features tailored to meet the needs of modern users, it's a reliable kitchen appliance that can enhance your cooking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.